As soon as it drained to 94, I was able to get it to charge. Let's try it again. Disconnecting. Connecting back. Green indicator. Orange. And battery is charging. So it needs to be drained approximately to 94. Battery no charging issue is even harder to fix than the backlight. Since everything is working, it's time to assemble him back on to install the back cover. To do it, since we're not gonna be disconnecting battery anymore, shut him down completely. Current not gonna circulate on a logic board. Till completely shut down. From here, this looks like a sponge. Goes on top of fan connector. Done. Assembling all balls back. As you remember, I use this like a mirror. Start assembling all bolts back. I have only this one. Right now is this one. As you remember, I used it like a mirror, so I have to take the bolt from here. They still standing with the caps up, and they telling me where each bolt goes. And I have to position him right here. Do the same with all of them. Put all bolts on place. This one is on place. For example, right now I'm wondering which one goes here. And this works perfectly. You can understand that it's right here, facing cap up. So I am placing him right there. When you make sure that all bolts are on place, everything is plugged, tightened and secured, you install LVSD cable mount, you position microphone back on place. It's time to install the back cover. The last step. And before you will install it, actually, just remember that those long bolts, 1, 2, 3, located right here in the bottom, and clean it, because as you can see there is some dust, some wet dust here as well. Approximately after 10 minutes the cleaning was done. You made sure that there is no even a single droplet of liquid. Install the back cover back on place. And just a reminder, the long bolt was here, here and here. 2 long bolts on place, the last long bolt, and the remaining 7 small bolts. For those 7 small bolts, it's time where this one is not that much effective. You will need something like this with larger handle. Works a lot better with those bolts. This was completely the assembly, replacing the Magsafe board, cleaning the logic board from dust, corrosion, using the wire glue, restoring back some connections, on 2010 MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching.